Amazing, awesome, totally stoked. Just, yeah, lost for words. I can't, honestly, it's down to Margot and her being so patient on the board with me. And yeah, just dug deep and had some fun with it. I feel great.
So we did it in 22. I saw it on Facebook and I just thought it looked absolutely bonkers and I really wanted to join in. So we came in 22 and it was great fun. And she won dog that the judges want to take home. And it was also her birthday weekend last time as well. And it's really, really cute. It's the same birthday, it's the same weekend this year, so it's her birthday today.